Alrighty guys, these are the elevators here at the AC Hotel here in Asheville, North Carolina. You got some KONE AC to ride. Nice cabs. They're just stainless steel though. Alright, let's go down to P. O. Nine's open. Let's go there. Creepy. Very creepy. It is actually 11 o'clock at night, so that is why I am filming them right now. Here we are at the basement. These were installed in 2017. Back when I was here in 2011, there was basically a old Otis. So you can tell that they replaced these with KONE. Pretty cool. Those are your buttons there. KSS. Definitely you can tell they replaced those buttons already. And that is the indicator. I'll watch the lobby, but come on. Just send you up to 9. And we'll call the other one. As you can tell, this is a very nice hotel. There goes that one. Jeez, those chimes are loud. Here's this one. As you can tell, they already replaced the buttons on this one. Probably because the layout was so confusing. Anyway, go down to P0. Door close button never works. Here we go. Gear 9. creepy. P0. We get care of you. High security. This is the kind of similar to the other one, except this one has a rear door. You can see there's an indicator. So all those rear floors are locked. Let's end the video at P2. This is the indicator. Universal buttons. Installed in 2017. This one got a fixture upgrade in like a year later. And here we are at P2. And I wonder, whoa, and I wonder whose car is that over there with the license plate Menard. And there you have it. Those are the elevators at my hotel I'm staying at in Asheville. And I guess that is going to be it for me.